In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add sign up for email updates on Constant Contact. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. This is where you can access the tools you need to build and manage your email marketing content. For this task, you will be working with the sign up form tools, which are designed to help you collect new subscriber information in a simple and professional way. Next, go to Sign Up Forms in the main menu. This section is where Constant Contact stores the different form options you can use to grow your email list. Once you open it, look for the Create button and click it to start a new form. This will take you into the setup process, where you can choose the format that works best for your audience and your website. At this point, you will need to choose the type of form you want to use. Constant Contact gives you several options, including an inline form, a pop-up form, a flyout form, or a landing page. An inline form is useful if you want the form to appear directly inside a page on your website. A pop-up or flyout can help draw more attention to the sign-up offer. A landing page works well if you want a dedicated page that you can share through social media or other channels. After choosing the form type, customize the fields and design using the drag-and-drop editor. This is where you can control how the form looks and what information it asks for. Keep your form clean and easy to complete. In many cases, fewer fields can help improve sign-up rates. You can also adjust the layout and styling so the form matches the look of your brand or website. Once everything looks the way you want, click Activate or Publish. Constant Contact will then generate either a link or embed code, depending on the type of form you created. Be sure to copy the correct option for where you plan to use it. Finally, paste the code into your website if you are embedding the form, or copy and share the link on your website or social media profile if you are using a hosted form or landing page. This makes your email update sign-up available to your audience, so they can join your list easily. That covers everything you need to know.